Hi kids, welcome to EVS class. In today's class, we will discuss about living things and non-living things. Children, we can see so many things around us. Some of them are living and others are non-living. So, living things include human beings, animals, plants and fishes. Children, do you see a fish swimming? Yes, things have life in them. So, fish is a living thing. Living thing. Then, living things can eat also. They need food and water, give them energy and help them to grow. So, food and water give them energy and help them to grow. Living things breathe also. They need air to breathe. Living things and most of the animals breathe air through their nose. Living things can move also. Living things moves from one place to another place. So, human beings and animals moves from one place to another place. So, which all are the things living things need? So, living things need what? Food to eat, air to breathe, and they also move from one place to another place. Okay, children. Next, we can see some examples of living things. First one is fish. Fish can swim, eat, grow. Then next comes birds. Birds can fly, then eat, grow. Then insects. Insects can move, eat and grow. Then human beings. Human beings can eat, move and grow. Then plants. Plants also can grow, eat. Okay. So these are the living things. Next is about non-living things. Non-living things don't have life in them. They can't grow, eat and breathe. So non-living things don't have life in them. Non-living things don't grow, eat and breathe. These are some examples of non-living things. Chair, table, computer, bat, ball, etc. etc. These are the examples of non-living things. So we can conclude living things can eat, breathe and grow. They have senses also. But non-living things can't breathe, eat and grow. They don't have senses. Okay children, let's do an activity. Let's do an experiment. Ma'am have two pots. Pot number 1 and pot number 2. In the first pot, ma'am is going to grow some seeds. Okay. And pot number 2, ma'am is going to grow one stone. Okay. So we should keep these two pots under the sunlight and we have to give them water also. After some days, we can see what happened to these pots. After some days, you can see a small sapling in pot number 1. But in pot number 2, there is no change. So, plant is a living thing and stone is a non-living thing. Children, I hope now you understood what is living thing and non-living thing. Okay children, now we can do a textual based activity. All of you take your semester 2 book and page number 117. The name of the activity is tick the living things and cross out the non-living things. So we have to tick all the living things and we have to cross out all the non-living things. First one is tiger. Tiger is an animal, so it is a living thing. So all of you tick the. Next one is plant. Plant is also a living thing. All of you tick the. Next is book. Book is not a living thing. It is a non-living thing. So we have to cross out the book. Next is an umbrella. An umbrella is also a non-living thing. They don't have life. So we have to cross out. Next one is a boy. Boy is a human being. So it is a living thing. So we have to tick here. Next is scissors. Scissors also a non-living thing. So we have to cross. Next is pen. Pen is a non-living things. They can't move. They don't have life. So we have to cross out. Next is fish. Fish is a living thing. Fish can swim, breathe and grow. So we have to tick. Next is a bird. Bird can fly, breathe, eat and grow. So fish is bird is a living thing. So we have to give tick. Okay children, so now the time for wind up the class. So we can wind up the class with a small rhyme. Okay, let's sing. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that fly. Thank you, God, for everything. Okay, children. Bye-bye.